Multiply any number by 11 very easily using Vedic Maths trick. Like suppose with the normal method, if you consider like 43 cross 11, if you try to multiply this with normal method, it will take so much time. So I will be showing you today that how we can solve this very faster. Just what you need to do means just follow my steps. First you need to note down this 3. The digit that is towards the right hand, you need to write here in the answer towards the right side. Okay. Next step is this, whatever the digit we have in units place, this we need to add with its adjacent number, that is 3 plus 4. What we will get? 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7, right? 7 we need to put in the middle. The last step what we need to do means this number we have at the first place, that we need to keep in the first place. So 473 is the answer. This is how we can calculate the multiplication of any number by 11 very faster. In the second slide we have find 51 cross 11. 51 cross 11. What we need to do in the first step? This whatever one is there, that we need to keep towards the right hand, that is here. Next what we need to do? Add the number with its adjacent number, that is 5. 1 plus 5, that we need to keep in the middle, that is 6. Last step what we need to do? This 5 we need to place towards the left hand, that is here. The answer is 561. Like this we need to calculate. Next we will look into the 3-digit number. Here we have 3-digit number 6, 4 and 2 cross 11. How we can do this? Same steps we need to follow. Here we have 2, that we need to keep towards the right hand, that is 2 here we can keep. Next what we need to do? 2 plus 4. What will get 2 plus 4? 6, right? That we need to keep here. Next 4 plus 6. Here be careful. 6 plus 4 or 4 plus 6, what we will get? We will get 2 digits, that is 10. Right? We have 2 digits. Till now what we got? 1 digit we got. But now here we are getting 2 digit. So what you need to do? This unit place whatever we have, that you need to keep here. And note down the 1 as it is. That is carry. Next what we need to do? This last step is, we have done this 4 plus 6, right? What we got? 10. Now remaining last term, that is 6, that we were keeping in the first place, right here. But here we have carry 1, so that we need to add 6 plus 1, what we will get? 7, right? So instead of 6 we will replace it with 7. So the answer is 7062. When we have carry we need to be very careful. Okay. Next we will see 2 more problems. Here we have 3, 8, 2, 1. We need to multiply it with 11. How we can do this? Same step we need to follow. This 1 we need to keep towards the right hand here. Next what we need to do? 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, what we will get? 3. So this 3 we will keep here. Next what we need to do? 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8, what we will get? 10, right? Here you can observe that we have 2 digits. So this 0 you need to place it over here. We have 1 carry. Remember this. Next what we need to do? This 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, what we will get? 11. So 11 plus 1, what will be the answer? 12. This 2 you need to place here. We have again 1 carry. Like this you need to solve. Last what we used to do? This 3 we would have kept here, right? But here we have carry. So that 3 you need to add with 1, that is 4. Instead of this 3 you need to place 4. This is the answer. Initially this looks harder to solve, but if you keep on practicing then it will be easier for you. Here just I have explained, it took time, but if you solve by yourself it will take less than 5 seconds. Now we will solve this 4th question. We will solve this 4th question with little bit speed. Okay. Okay, what we have? 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3 and 1. We need to multiply this number with 11, right? 1 will keep here. 1 plus 3, 4. Again 3 plus 5, 8. Then 5 plus 4, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. And this 2 we need to keep towards left hand. So this is the answer. See how faster we have calculated. Thank you.